Hello, this is your Mrs. Clarke here on the channel. Welcome back to another wedding diaries. Today we have checked out at Royalton Negril, and here we are at Country right here in Negril. It's just literally 8 minutes away from Royalton Negril where we're coming from. So we made it safe and we're going to go check in now, and then we're going to give you a room tour of where we're staying for the rest of our honeymoon week. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to come by, and stay tuned. So guys, we're going to check into our room now, and just as I prayed, I hope it was upstairs that we got. We're actually going to get upstairs, and that's my hubby there. Then you have the Mrs. Clarke. Come on, there's hubby there. The place is really nice, and country is more like a cottage setting vibes, but it's very unique, something different, and the greenery is what really makes it country, if you feel what I mean. So when somebody say they're at country, it literally speaks country, and it actually speaks for itself. The greenery, the different plants, and it do, as much as we're in the heart of Negril, it does give you a country smell in a sense. So all rooms, I'm assuming they're all the same. I'm not sure, like the decor different. You have some nice wooden seat you can sit on and relax. And if you know country, you know those little gates where they look up with the little lock at the side right there, and you lock and go on your veranda. In a sense, they're way ahead of me, so let me try run go catch them up. But yeah, pretty much the check-in process was really good. When you check in, well, they're going to copyright me here, so I'm going to wait till I pass here. I tell you what the check-in process is like, and then get back to you. So walk around with me to our room. And then you have pool over here. There's a little pool right there. I'm coming. And then we have, you get in the beach view there.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? So we're here at Country. We just arrived here for the second part of our honeymoon trip. So you come cut. What's up, guys? We're here at Country for the second part of our honeymoon vacation. Alright, so we're here at Country. So I'm just gonna give you guys a little tour of our little cottage. Okay? Alright, come along with me. So as you can see, it's just as the name suggests, it's a very country-like setting here. But don't be fooled, it's very welcoming. So as you come up the stairs, you'll notice that we have a nice little setting here for two. So we have our little balcony here. On the balcony, you have a nice view of the Caribbean Sea out there. Right, nice, very nice beach out there. We'll give you a tour of that later. We have our two rocking chairs here. We have a nice little table for two, so you can sit and have a nice meal together and look out. And here we have our nice little swinging chair, so those who are idle like myself, we have a nice little chair to just swim and relax. Right, and now for the part we've all been waiting for, the room tour. At the front desk, you'll be given a very standard key because you know this it's a country setting, so we're going the traditional key way. So, alright, inside. So, inside very simple and very cottage-like. You know, it feels like any setting. Any setting out in the woods, but it's also very comfortable. So here we have our king size bed, you know, take nothing away from it. We have a nice little bamboo base bedside table. We have two of them actually, right? Nicely designed lamps here. Alright, there we go. Alright, over here we have a nice little couch, you know. You can sit and relax if you don't want to be in the bed. Alright, nice carved mirror, you know, very natural. This is actually wooden, so this was actually handcrafted. Right, you can see the lines and details here. Over on this side, you have a nice bed frame actually carved from bamboo, right? So this speaks to the natural appeal or the nature appeal, right? On this side here, right, we have two nice sitting chairs, a nice little table, you know. We have our little mini fridge here, right?
Open it.
Nice little mini fridge here. And here we have our coffee maker, kettle, right? And it even got a bag of coffee, right? We have some cups there. And this side we have a little shelf there. And then here we have a chest of drawers, right? So of course this is also carved from bamboo, very natural feel, very cottage-like setting here. A nice little TV here. We haven't turned it on yet, and you know they're not gonna allow you to dine the heat. So you have a nice AC unit, you know, to deal with the heat. Around here you have a nice little safe down here. Right, so anyone who has any licensed firearms, or if you have any valuables that you'd like to keep locked away, you can also do that here. We have a nice little iron board, your iron right there, and this is your closet. So of course in here we have our bathroom. So here it's comfy enough. It's comfy enough, right? So all the basic amenities. Right, we have a standard face basin here. So it's not a vanity, it's a standard face basin. Because remember, this is a cottage based setting. You're not gonna come here and see these vanities and you know all of that. But this is an efficient setting. So we have a nice little wooden frame mirror, right? Alright, looking at the windows, you can see that they're very natural. Right, very natural based windows. Here we have a nice simple toilet, fresh roll of toilet paper, and on this side we have a standard bathtub. Right, standard bathtub, very comfy, simple and efficient. And then you know we have a set of towels over on this side. Now, very important, these towels come with the room. So these will not leave the room, right? You get some towels at the front desk, which you may leave the room with. However, if you lose them, there's a charge, $19 US, right? For each towel that you lose. For the safe, if you lose your key to the safe, it's actually a charge of $75 US. So you best not lose that, guys. But as you can see, it's a very nice place to come to chill, to clear your mind. And it's very natural. The very natural settings. It's all this back to basics. So this has been our room tour. So stay tuned for more.
Thank you.